Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a review on a mannequin head which I purchased on Amazon. This video is not sponsored in any way, so here we go. So we got this cute pink brush. It's a detangle brush. It's cute. Then we got the base, which we would use to attach to the surface of the desk or wherever we plan to attach the base of that. So this would go in there. And we screw that up. This pad at the bottom here is where we can tighten, adjust to the thickness of the surface to which we attach this base. So let's open the brush to see what it feels like. It's basically a detangling brush. Yeah. So let's get in there to the head, the mannequin. I think we got it all. That would be a manual. So let's open that up and see what details they have in there. It's basically giving you instructions on how to put the base together and how to maintain the hair of the mannequin when washing it and stuff like that. So let's open her up. Let me get some space here. Her hair feels good. It feels soft. It's like human hair, like natural 4C hair. It feels pretty good, and it's thick. I love it. It's soft and yeah, I'm loving this. I must say it's thick. Isn't she pretty? It's very close to human hair. I love it. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more content like this. Bye now.